Factorize completely. That's our goal for this question. So we have 12x squared y plus 8xy squared minus 4y. And notice that we have 12, 8, and 4. And so we ask ourselves, what is the highest number that can go into 12, that can go into 8, and that can go into 4? The answer is 4. 4 can go into 12, 4 can go into 8, and 4 can go into itself without leaving a remainder. And so that means that so what we have here is that the highest common factor of 12, 8, and 4 is 4 itself. Now, so we put 4 on the outside. Now we ask ourselves, okay, well, we have x here. So x is in this term, x is in this term, but is x in this term? No. So x is not in all three terms, so we cannot put x on the outside. What about y? Well, y is in this term, y is also in this term, and y is in this term as well. And so we can definitely put y on the outside. And so on the outside, we have 4y. And on the inside, well, what do we have? Well, we ask ourselves, okay, what times 4 gives us 12? Well, 4 times 3 gives us 12, and so we have 3 here. Notice that we have x squared on top, and so we have x squared at the bottom, so the x squared is accounted for. And notice that we have y on this side because we have y here. And so that means that 4y times 3x squared is equal to 12x squared times y. And that's what we want. We want when we multiply this term by this term, we get this term on the top. Next, we ask ourselves, what times 4 gives us 8? Well, 4 times 2 is 8. And notice that we have x here, and we also have x here as well. And then we ask ourselves, okay, well, what times y gives us y squared? And the answer is y times y gives us y squared. And so 4y times 2xy is 8xy squared. And so that is also completed as well. Now we ask ourselves, okay, what times 4y gives us 4y? And the answer is 1, because 4y times 1 is 4y. And we put the negative sign, I also put the positive sign down below. And so what we have at the bottom is the factorized form of what we have on the top. And so that means that we are good. Our answer is correct.